Hey, what's going on everyone? This is Chase at Rocky Mountain ATV and today we are showing you the titanium body bolt kit from Warp 9. All right, thank you for checking in. So I have on the table today the titanium body bolt kit from Warp 9. Now in my opinion, there are two types of riders that are interested in buying one of these kits. The first one is for the person who's just chasing ounces. If you're looking to get as much weight saved off the motorcycle as you can in as many places as possible, then yeah, you might want a titanium bolt kit. Or you're the rider who, when it comes to looks, you want to have just that factory look, you want to have one of the best looking bikes at the track or wherever it is that you're going to be riding, then yeah, this bolt kit might be great for you. They aren't cheap, they're going to be about 200 bucks, but again, very specific to certain riders out there. Now, what comes included with this kit is all your popular body bolts. So really you're going to be able to replace all the bolts on your plastic. So your fork guards, your radiator shrouds, your fenders, your number plates, your airbox, and your seat bolts, all those bolts will come included in this kit. Now, I wanted to find out for myself just how much lighter this is versus just a standard bolt kit, because they say that titanium is about 45% lighter than steel. So I pulled another bolt kit, which is, so the one on the table I have here is for a Husky FC 450. I pulled another bolt kit from another maker, the same kit for the same bike with the same amount of bolts. I weighed them both. Here's the weight savings. You're about 4 ounces. So it's not a huge weight savings, but again, like I said, it's for those people that are chasing every ounce possible. Also, what's cool about these, aside from the weight savings, is that you have a hex head with a torx bit center. You have a cool burnt anodized finish on here, so you have two different ways to tighten these down, and titanium does not rust like steel does. So these things are going to stay looking good for a very long time. So again, do yourself a favor, pick one up today, click on the link or head to rockymountainatvmc.com. While you're at our website, Warp 9 does make other titanium parts as well, so be sure to check those out. Orders over 75 bucks ship free, and which means this is going to ship free. If you do have questions or comments, we would love to get those answered for you, so make sure to leave those below. And lastly, if you have not yet, do yourself a favor, subscribe to the Rocky Mountain YouTube channel, because we are the #1 place to go to see product reviews just like you saw today. I'm Chase, and we'll see you on the trails.